In this video, you'll learn how to create a landing page on Webflow. By following these steps, you will be equipped to design an effective landing page using the Webflow platform. Begin by navigating to the Webflow dashboard, open your web browser and enter the Webflow URL. Once the page loads, ensure you are on the dashboard screen where your existing projects are displayed. This is the starting point for creating a new site. Next, locate the button labeled New Site on the dashboard. This button is typically situated prominently, allowing you to easily start the process of creating a new project. Click on New Site to proceed. After this click, a new window will appear with options for site creation. Once this appears, choose the option that says AI Site Builder. This option leverages artificial intelligence to help streamline the creation of your landing page. Click on it and the interface will prompt you to describe the type of site you want to create. After that, you will see a text field labeled Describe Your Site. Click into this field and type Create a Landing Page. This description will guide the AI in generating suitable templates and structures for your project. After you type in your description, press their Enter key to confirm your input. Now, you will be directed to a new screen where you can structure your site. Look for the button that says Structure Your Site and click on it. This step will allow you to lay the foundation for your landing page, defining its overall layout and components. Following this, click on the button labeled Generate Site. This action will initiate the AI's process of creating your landing page based on the description you provided. You may see a loading indicator during this process, which can take a moment depending on your internet speed and the complexity of the design. Once the generation is complete, you will receive a message prompting you to generate more themes. This indicates that the AI has successfully created a landing page, and you now have the option to explore additional design themes. Next, look for the message that says Customize Your Design. Click on this option to access the design settings for your landing page. Here, you can adjust colors, fonts, and other visual elements to match your brand identity. After customizing the design, you will be prompted with options to customize your sections. This step allows you to modify individual sections of your landing page, such as headers, content blocks, and footers, ensuring everything aligns with your vision. Then you will see a message saying, Generate a Layout. Click on this to finalize the layout of your landing page. This action solidifies the structure and arrangement of the elements you have customized. Following this, a message will appear indicating Prepare Site. This step involves the system organizing all the components you have set up. Wait for the process to complete, as it may take a little time depending on the complexity of your design. Then you will receive a message stating Creating Sections. This indicates that the platform is currently setting up the various sections of your landing page. Allow this process to finish. Next, a message saying Drafting Content will appear. This means the system is working on populating your landing page with the content you specified. This step can also take a few moments. After that, you will see a message saying Finalizing Pages. At this point, the system is putting the finishing touches on your landing page, ensuring everything is in place and ready for review. Lastly, you will need to wait for a message indicating wait for it to finish generating. This final step confirms that the system is completing the last processes before your landing page is fully operational. Once this message is displayed, your landing page creation is complete. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.